Welcome to SIKORA Service Support, where your needs are our priority. Whether you have questions about your SIKORA device, need help with commissioning or replacing spare parts, or want to make a support request, we're here for you. Easy and fast, submit our contact form in just a few clicks and receive your ticket immediately. Our expert team quickly processes your request to ensure fast support. Thanks to our global service network, we ensure reliable solutions wherever you are. Expect detailed instructions directly in your inbox, ready to assist with setup and operation. And just like that, we've got you covered.